Number 5. Jose flew 172,412 miles last year for work. How is this number written in standard form? It's okay for this question that I don't remember what standard form is, because if I look at my answer choices, this shows me what standard form is. The standard form of a number is writing a number like you normally would, those digits next to each other in a certain order. What I am trying to find out here is that I see that the number here is in word form. I need to figure out how I can take this number in word form and write it as standard form. So again, using that place value chart can be very helpful with this. If I take a look at my number, I see 172 and then I see that word thousand. That means that this 172 will be in this thousands place. Then I see a comma and it says 412. Well, since this 412 is after the word thousand, that means it should be in the ones, tens, or hundreds place. So now I have to think about how I can represent the words as digits. 100, it can be represented with the number 1 in the hundred thousands place. If I look at my answer choices, it tells me they already put a 1 at that first place. So 100, and then I have 72. How would I write the number 72? Again, if I look at my answer choices, they already tell me that the 7 should go here, the 2 should go here. Then I have 412. How would you write 412 on the place value chart?